Which buzzer do you like better?
Wait, maybe we should have both of the buzzers.
No way, really?
Sure, we could try it.
In a parallel circuit?
Yeah.
Are the lights still as bright with those buzzers attached?
That's so loud.
It has my ears. Now my ears getting cracked. So I can't hear now.
No, really, you can't hear?
Yeah.
Can you hear me talking?
No.
I think you're just joking. I don't want to buzzer with it.